The world is moved by choices. Every action, every option, every decision, we try to make our life better, smarter, easier. The information is closer than it has ever been in history, and still we find ourselves lost between millions of choices, pages, fake reviews, prices. That's why we created the first and only social network dedicated to technology, 5Phants. All in one platform. In 5Phants, we bring together all the information you need, and we sort it to make you feel not confused, but certain. 5Phants will connect you with millions of users around the globe, telling real stories. You can also share yours, give advice, add useful information, go beyond the specifications and focus on what you really need. Share, post, discover, compare, buy and review millions of products. This is the 5Phants experience, gathering friends, family, brands, professionals, influencers and more. Stop looking, start finding. It's time to make better decisions. It's time for 5Phants. Try now 5Phants on its beta version. We'd love your feedback.